Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the data type of string. Already used that in almost all of our tutorials so far. It's always indicated by quotation marks. You can store it, for example, in a let variable called an str. And if we do it like this, it's going to be empty. Even if I put a white space here, we can't really see it, but if I add a name, it's going to be a string now, and if I add white space here, this will also be seen as a string value or a character in a string value. If I make that a 5 without a quotation marks, this is a number, and with it is a string. The difference I've already talked about in the last video, but let us go over this quickly again. I'll make it str1 and then str2 of maybe 11. And then I print out both str1 plus str2. And this will give us 511, so 511, because both are strings and therefore it's just printed out. First the 5 and then 11. If I get rid of the quotation marks, it's seen as a number, and now it becomes 16. So this is an actual addition. So keep that in mind when you work with strings and numbers. Always make sure to use quotation marks. Same goes for Boolean values like true and false. Without quotation marks, it is a Boolean. With quotation marks, it's just a word, true or false. And this also works for special characters, for example, $signs and stuff like this. And this is all what a string can be. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.